Are you tired of treating your ad impressions like a complete guessing game when it comes to revenue? In just a few minutes, I will show you how to unlock the secret to accurately tracking revenue generated from your ad impressions using Google Analytics, for all thanks to the power of Google Tag Manager. First, let's head into your Google Analytics for property here. You'll need to ensure you have the necessary access to your property settings. Confirm that you have already set up events in GA4. But in case you haven't, check out my other video on how to do that, linked in the description below. Next is Google Tag Manager, where the real magic happens. You'll use GTM to capture the impression data, such as the ad ID, creative, or any other parameters that are crucial to understanding your revenue. Start by building some custom variables within Google Tag Manager. Think of these like containers for your ad impression data. Define variables for things like ad ID, creative name, and, most importantly, the estimated revenue derived from an ad impression. Now, create a new tag. Select Google Analytics GA4 event as the tag type. Link it to your GA4 property. Then, give it a descriptive event name, something like ad_impression_revenue. Crucially, add event parameters to this tag. These parameters will send your data over to GA4. Map your Google Tag Manager variables to GA4 event parameters. For example, link your ad ID variable to an ad_a parameter, your creative variable to a creative_name parameter, and, of course, your revenue variable to the appropriate GA4 event parameter. Next, configure the trigger. Select the trigger that fires when your ad impression event occurs. This might be triggered by a specific element on your page. For example, a tag triggered when an image is on display. Submit and publish your configuration. That's it. After the publishing, you can go to your GA4 property to view your report. It's best to wait 24 hours before checking to make sure the reporting is accurate. Within GA4, you can find the results in the Events section and explore the data using custom reports or explorations. This allows you to analyze revenue by ad ID, creative, or any other parameter you chose. This knowledge lets you optimize your ad spend and see what strategies produce the best return. By implementing these steps, you're transforming ad impressions from a black box into a key driver of your business's success, maximizing insight for your marketing efforts. Remember to like and subscribe for more valuable insights.